For Samir Pendharkar, the future of technology is right around the corner. With 30-plus patents to his name, he's become one of the leading engineers at Texas Instruments in developing the technology powering the consumer electronics of tomorrow. Think cell phones that rarely need charging and cars that drive themselves.
We can come up with products which will really make a difference in the sense that we can have, like, say, for example, a cell phone where we can integrate different things like GPS and TV and radio and things like that, and you just make them more mobile, less dependent on battery.
Born in India as the son of an engineer, Samir grew up fascinated with electronics.
I always used to tinker with electronic things back at home, and that kind of just fascinated me.
Today, Samir focuses his research on how low-voltage electricity travels across tiny transistors and chips. His research uses advances in semiconductors that make it possible to do much more with less power.
The circuits that he's designed and the processes that he's developed are used to make chips. And if you've ridden a car, an automobile, or used an electric toothbrush or a shaver or a battery charger for a cell phone, it's very probable that you've used one of the chips that Samir has helped develop and manufacture.
The microchips Samir and his colleagues at TI work with today are only a fraction of the size of those from just 2 years ago.
So these are essentially what the chips look like. As you can see, the size of this is amazingly small. I mean, it's smaller than a peppercorn, if you will. It's just getting smaller and smaller.
Samir envisions a time when these advances will result in electronics that make our world safer and smarter for everyone. As a result of Samir's work, safety devices only found in high-end cars like tire sensors and anti-locking braking systems will soon be available in all new cars. Samir's research will help make this technology more affordable so more people can benefit.
It is not every day that one comes across a talented individual or an engineer that has contributed so much in such a short time. And Samir has managed to accomplish that.
The knowledge that what you're working here is going to go into a product which is going to basically make a huge difference in the society as such, just make it better and safer and just have more people access to these basic things like safety, which I think is one of the things that I hold very dear.